Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I want to talk about something truly heartwarming, how animals help us heal. First off, let's dive into the magical world of unconditional love. If you've ever had a pet, you know what I'm talking about. They don't care about your past, your mistakes, or your bad hair days. They just love you for who you are. This is especially powerful for people who've faced childhood trauma. Pets can help rewrite those negative self-narratives by offering consistent affection and acceptance. Now let's talk about emotional co-regulation. Trauma survivors often experience intense emotions like anxiety or emotional shutdown, but guess what? Pets can be grounding. A cat's purr, a dog's wagging tail, or just the soft touch of their fur can help bring someone back to the present moment. This simple interaction can be incredibly soothing. Physical touch is another critical aspect. Many trauma survivors have complicated relationships with physical contact. Pets offer a safe and non-demanding form of touch. Whether it's a dog leaning against you or a cat curling up on your lap, this physical connection can be incredibly comforting and help foster a sense of safety. Isolation can be a huge issue, especially for the elderly or disabled. Pets provide companionship that can significantly improve mental and emotional well-being. Programs like the Senior Paw Project support older adults in caring for their pets, ensuring that this invaluable companionship is maintained. But let's not just go on feelings alone. Science backs this up too. Studies show that interacting with animals decreases cortisol, our stress hormone, and increases oxytocin, the love hormone. This physiological response isn't just feel-good fluff, it's a real, measurable impact on our health. And now a little personal story to wrap things up. A close friend of mine, let's call her Jane, had always struggled with feelings of unworthiness. When she adopted her dog, Max, something incredible happened. Max's unwavering loyalty and love helped Jane see herself in a new light. She found confidence, joy, and even started to feel like a parent taking care of Max. It was a transformative experience that illustrated just how powerful animal companionship can be. So there you have it, the healing power of pets. If you've had a similar experience or want to share your thoughts, leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more heartwarming stories and insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care of yourselves and your furry friends.